SkyWest 2647 tower, line up on way 24 right.
Line up on way 24 right, 2647.
Maple 7417, number 2 to go. Oscar Delta Go with Monday Kilo Soup pour Rockcliffe.
Roll up on 500, plan 7.
Oscar Delta, Roger, 15 feet double big.
I go to 600.
SkyWest 2647, 5 behind heavy, contact departure airborne, clear takeoff, runway 24 right.
Clear takeoff, runway 24, Sky 647.
SkyWest, Maple 7417, line up runway 24 right.
Line up runway 24 right, 7417.
47, reject takeoff.
Target afternoon, envoy 3074 is with your base for 24 left.
Envoy 3074 Montreal, plan on clearing at the end, winds 1508 knots, you are clear to land, runway 24 left.
Clear to land 24 left, 3074.
No, 2247, we're going to have to clear it.
That was 2647, Roger. You, okay, clear next one at the Bravo 3. Whole shirt of the Bravo and switch to ground 1219 clear.
Okay, left turn Bravo, hold short Bravo 3, 1219 clear, Sky 2647.
Maple 7417, winds 1408 knots, contact departure airborne. You are cleared takeoff, runway 24 right.
Takeoff 24 right, 7417, good day.
Good day.
C4413 is ready on 24 right.
AC 4413, the Embraer's on a roll, line up runway 24 right and wait.
Line up and wait 24 right, AC 4413.
Flight 716, we'll be ready to go, 24 left.
Tower station calling, try it again, you were very weak.
Yeah, it's flight 716, we'll be ready to go, runway 24 left, holding short.
Flight 716, Roger, hold short.